all my gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? Now it's going to be Tezos and Munga by Tezos. These are all pure hand block printed, which are really great to wear and very soft and subtle. Right now I am wearing a pure Munga silk with hand block prints, multicolored hand block prints. And the first sari is this. The second sari is going to be this. These are all different color concepts where two different things. This is the part one. Part two will be my salwar materials of the same fabric. These are all on exclusive N ranges, and this could be the blouse for this. So these are all a brilliant hand block printed with Munga Tezos. These are really slim fit and very easy to wear. And the second sari is this. All are with different block prints with different color combinations. However you want, you can go for it. See, this is the sari full as such. You can just have an idea about the sari. See how beautiful the multicolors are looking. Alright, and the next sari is this. For the prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. And this is how the sari look, and full hand block printed. It's all multicolored. That is the beauty of the Munga silk saris, and such a beautiful amazing hand block print. See, each sari is different in its own way, and you can see multicolor pink, rust color, and mustard yellow color with a black combination. And this is the top head design at Shivani's Boutique today. Alright, we'll be updating with lots and lots of new collection with different fabrics and silks and everything. So I wanted to open each and every sari and show, so that you guys can understand how the saris really look. Such an amazing sari. You can go for a single pleated also. See, the block prints are totally entirely different in these saris. And then see this. The next part is this. Now I have it's done with the printed part, and the second part is with the embroideries. These are all beautiful mission embroidery saris. See how it looks. The sari is so pretty, and this is the shoulder pallu, and this comes with the down part, and you can see the blouse. Such a beautiful amazing block printed blouse. It's not block printed, it's a printed blouse. And then the second sari is this beautiful sari. These are all over embroideries. So the first concept is hand block printed multicolored blocks, and the second is such a beautiful sari, and this comes with an amazing contrast matching Bengal green color blouse. And then what's next? See this sari, beautiful sari lovers. This is your episode, absolutely. These are all Munga Tezos with these embroideries all over. And then comes this. See this, so beautiful and pretty looking saris. These are all. So the above portion is all printed, and here the embroidery comes, and this is the blouse part for this. The sari as such is so elegant and pretty looking saris. And then comes this, a deep indigo blue color sari. See, the embroideries comes on the borders. It's very subtle and a very lightweight sari. It listens to you so well. The sari flow is so amazing. These are all Mungas. Alright, soft Munga Tezos, and whoever love Mungas can go for this. Can flaunt this sari absolutely, because it's worth in that way. See, my next sari is this with kathas. You can see a minute katha work. Alright, and the surprise here is this. You can find a beautiful same to same printed matching blouse. And the next color of the sari is this. It's a deep blue color. Such an amazing sari. It looks like a satin finish sari. All are Munga sari, pure ones. And the blouse part for this is this. Please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. And this is the Tezos silk sari. Alright. See the sari. So beautiful and pretty. All over hand block printed. And the sari is so nice and fine. See this sari, and this way this pallu shoulder comes with it. Amazing, brilliant hand block printed sari. Alright guys, we are done with the episode 1. Episode 2 will be with beautiful salwar materials. We'll be back soon. Thank you so much and bye bye.